Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to remove a Glassdoor review, so let's get started with this quick tutorial. First, open your web browser and head over to glassdoor.com. Once the page loads, go ahead and log into your account using your credentials. This will take you to your main Glassdoor dashboard where you can access all your account features. Now direct your attention to the upper right corner of the screen. You'll see your profile icon displayed there. Click on it and a drop-down menu will appear. From this menu, click on your name to access your account settings and profile management options. Once you're on your profile page, look over to the left sidebar. You'll notice several navigation options listed there. Click on Reviews and Contributions. This section houses all the feedback and content you've submitted on Glassdoor, giving you full control over what you've posted. Next, you'll see different categories of contributions. Click on Company Reviews to view all the reviews you've written about companies you've worked for or interviewed with. This will display a complete list of your submitted reviews, making it easy to manage them all in one place. Now navigate to the specific review you want to delete. Take your time browsing through your reviews until you find the one you're looking for. Once you've located it, you'll notice a trash icon displayed right beside the review. This icon represents the delete function and allows you to remove any review you no longer want visible on the platform. Go ahead and click the trash icon. As soon as you do, a confirmation message will appear on your screen. This is Glassdoor's way of making sure you really want to proceed with deleting the review, as this action is permanent and cannot be undone. The confirmation prompt will ask you to verify your decision. Click Yes Delete to finalize the removal. Once you confirm, the review will be permanently removed from Glassdoor and will no longer be visible to other users or employers. Your review is now deleted. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.